Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm premium unboxing. This retails for $35 a month. You can get this one every single month if you want to. You can either upgrade from the base box to this or get both. Every third month when there's a Luxe month, if you subscribe to Luxe, you don't get the base box. You get this one and a Luxe, which is what I do. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and dive in. Don't forget to like this video before you go and before we continue, and subscribe to my channel. I'm off to a great start. I'm not gonna lie, I have already opened this just because both boxes were identical size-wise this time. Normally this one's a little bit smaller than the Luxe, so I had to open it to see which one it was. So I have seen a little sneak peek of this, but not everything yet. Okay, so there is no card. Again, I think they're kind of getting away from the cards, which is depressing, but it is what it is. So, ow, I just box cut myself. Cute. Okay, so the first thing right on top is this. This is by Glow Recipe. It's the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I do really like Glow Recipe. I haven't tried much from them, but the things that I've tried, I like. Actually, everything I've tried, I've gotten in Boxycharm. Trying to get some tweezers here so we can cut the seal open here. There we go. This is gonna smell like avocado because I don't like avocados. I know everyone does. I don't. So I'm not super excited if it does. Super cute packaging though. Green is my favorite color, and this is really, really cute. I like the indentions. It almost reminds me of like clay. Okay, moment of truth here. How's this open? There. Oh no, okay. Maybe a little citrusy? Like not a lot. Okay, that's not bad at all. I don't want to use it yet though, because I do want to save it. I have a bunch of moisturizing masks, blah, 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 all out right now. So I don't want to open anymore. Okay. Living Proof Restore, Repair, Leave-In, Strengthens and Transforms. This is a leave-in conditioner from Living Proof. Yeah, it's a leave-in conditioner. I want to smell you. Living Proof stuff, like everything I've tried, it all kind of has the same scent. I'm not crazy about the Living Proof scent, but I don't hate it. I mean, I'll try it out. I have a leave-in conditioner right now that I am loving. Actually, I have a hair care video coming out Friday, so stay tuned for that. So once I get through that one, maybe I'll try the Living Proof one. Okay. This is a Kat Von D, which is now KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Liner. I literally got one of these last month, so that's annoying. At least better be in a different color. Yeah, okay, so this is the black one. I did get the blue one literally last month, so not crazy about that. Haven't actually tried it. Ooh, they always start so liquidy. Ooh. The blue one was the same way, and after I like shook it, it got better. I haven't actually used it on my eyes yet though. Yeah, that's a lot better. They're just so like inky, and I feel like they're gonna go everywhere, so I haven't braved it yet, but there's that. This is the product I chose. This is also by KVD. It does still say Kat Von D, but I think what they're doing is trying to get rid of like all of their packaging that has her name on it so that they can start fresh. I didn't choose the color. The color was randomized. I have the shade Love, L-U-V. Looks like a purple shade, which I love purple. I like purple eyeshadow, and I like purple lipstick too, but usually I go for a liquid lip if I want a purple. That's really pretty though. Ooh, those smell so good. They smell like frosting. Ooh, I like that. So, I mean, I'll definitely give this a shot. I'm not super excited about the color. Matching my nails though. Okay, what's next? Oh yay, okay. This next thing is a brush, which I just did a brush declutter, but this is by Billion Dollar Brushes. Huh, I thought it was Billion Dollar Brows. Ooh, these are really soft. So this is just like a dual-ended sculpting duo brush. I'm assuming this is for like your nose and then contour. That's a little big for contour for me. I don't know, I'll try it out. Okay, and the thing that I saw that caught my eye immediately when I opened this is this. This is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. It's a highlighting and contour palette. It is like in the new packaging. I have the one in the old packaging that I'm gonna grab and compare to because I think they have new shades. Ooh, it's so pretty. I do like the one I have. Smells so good. But this one has 6 shades and I'm pretty sure mine only has 4. So I'm curious to see if they look the same. Yeah, so here is the old one. This is hard to do. Yeah, there's only 4 shades in here, which mine is getting to the point where I need to declutter it anyway because it does have a little bit of hard pan. So they added 2 new shades, but they still look, yeah, these are different, like way different. So they were like light cocoa, medium cocoa, dark cocoa, pop of light. Now they have light highlight, medium highlight, deep highlight, light contour, medium contour, deep contour. So very different. Ooh, very soft too. I'm gonna swatch these two because these are the 2 shades that I will probably use the most right there. Exciting! I am excited for this, like a lot. And the packaging is definitely a big upgrade. Okay, quick recap. Is this worth $30? I mean, this alone I'm pretty sure is like $40-ish, 36 to 40, somewhere around there. So just this alone is worth more than the box. And I do really like this. I'm excited to try it out. The lipstick, I'm on the fence about. Like, I'm excited because I did want to try this lipstick, but I'm also not in love with the color. The brush is okay. I'm never really excited about brushes anymore, just because I have too many. You guys know I just did a declutter if you've seen that video. If not, go watch it. This I'm excited for. I think it's really, really pretty, and I'm excited to try more of their stuff. This I'm not excited about at all. I think this is the biggest flop for me because I just got one of these last month. Is that everything? Is that it? I feel like oh yes, this. How do I feel about this? I'm okay with this one. Like, it's not something that I'm super stoked about, just because I don't really care for the scent too much, but I'm excited to see if it works. So that's everything. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you go. This is the part where I say that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.